Is it possible that the most reliable trading indicator is one you've never even heard of? Investopedia certainly thinks so. In this video, we are going to build the McGinley Dynamic from scratch. So what is it? Invented by John McGinley, a market technician, this indicator was designed to solve a major problem found in standard moving averages: lag. Standard moving averages use fixed time periods, but the market speeds up and slows down. The McGinley Dynamic automatically adjusts its speed based on the market's volatility. On a chart like this one in TradingView, you can see how it hugs the price action without getting whipsawed. Now, let's open up RealTest and code this properly. And don't worry about typing everything out. You can download this full code for free using the link in the description. So first we define our parameters. This allows us to easily change the indicator length later in one place. I'll define MGLen, which represents the look-back length. We'll set the default to 20. Now for the logic, open a data section. First, I'll create a variable called source and set it to close. In RealTest, close always refers to the latest bar's closing price. I'm also going to pre-calculate a standard exponential moving average using our source and length. We need this to initialize the McGinley calculation on the very first day of data, since it doesn't have a yesterday to reference yet. Now, we define the McGinley variable, mg. So now we start with an if statement, like this. So now we raise that ratio to the power of 4 using the caret symbol. This power of 4 is what forces the indicator to drastically speed up or slow down to catch the price. Finally, let's visualize it. Add a chart section. We'll label it McGinley and plot our MG data item. Hit F4 or click Apply to run. And there it is. You have successfully coded the McGinley Dynamic in RealTest. Notice how it tracks the trend with minimal lag. Don't forget to grab the code from the description below, and happy trading.